The biggest feature of this family is that they are high anti-glare, easy maintenance, and flexible. High anti-glare, the LED is deep recessed and the chip is almost invisible. With the inner black ring, it can be eye protection. Perfectly solved comfortable lighting solution. Easy maintenance, they are using smart lock system. Two-step lock. Can be trimless or semi-recessed. With fast connector, it can be easily connect with driver and save the maintenance cost. Very stable. You can replace the driver from the front of the ceiling very easily. You can easily change the reflector into different color. The reflector can be white, black, gold, matte gold, rose gold, black chrome plating, and white chrome. Power range from 5 watt, 7 watt, 10 watt, 13 watt, 18 watt. They use Citizen latest chip version, CRI above 92. Beam angle 15 degree, 24 degree, 36 degree, 55 degree optional. Frame finish can be white or black color optional.